This is double knee to chest stretch. So we're gonna do this lying on our backs, face up. Okay, and I would keep your knees bent, feet on the ground to start with. And what we're gonna do is just bring both knees up towards our chest, and they're coming up towards the chest, but also out a little bit towards the shoulders. So we get also a nice stretch on the inner thigh muscles. So I would bring one knee up at a time because it's a little bit less stressful on your low back. So we'll bring one knee up, we'll bring the other knee up, and then once both feet are off the ground, that's when you can begin to really pull both of them towards your chest and out a little bit towards your shoulders. And there are days where, you'll be able to allow the knees to separate even more, just depending on how tight you are, how good your workout was, or just how you're feeling that day. So this will vary. And also sometimes when you're in this position, it feels nice to just kind of rock back and forth. It's almost like the happy baby stretch. So just rocking back and forth a little bit. Those little oscillations can feel pretty nice across the back of the pelvis and the spine. So this is your double knee to chest stretch. And once you're finished, just going to allow one foot to go back down to the ground at a time. And there you have it. Give it a try.